I lost $1 million in crypto. In this video, I will explain you exactly everything that happened. I will explain you what was my mistake. I will also tell you and explain you exactly my steps, how I want to recover this $1 million. And the best part is you just have to copy my steps so you are also in the possibility to make $1 million. Don't expect any fancy editing here. I will just here tell my story. I will tell you what was the mistake, how you can avoid it, and how can you take full advantage of this so maybe eventually you can have the same results as I will have, because I need to recover this. Okay, to put you in context, like 2.5 years ago, I was playing football with an old friend, with more friends obviously, but I met one friend I know many years, and he told me that he will start to use trading robots. And he told me that there is a company that offer very, very good bots and that they started an exchange, so there is no friction to connect your bot to an exchange and then maybe have problems with the API and so on. And he told me, hey, Ronnie, do this, follow me in this challenge, follow me and let's trade together and have similar results. And he started a challenge with only $4,000. $4,000, and he wanted to convert this $4,000 into $1 million. I think you feel the same. Always is, we think about do some stuff, then we overthink it, then we talk ourselves out of it, and in the end of the day, I did nothing. Okay, every now and then I saw his videos. He's also a crypto YouTuber, and he was talking about, oh yeah, my bot did this, my bot did that, and now I got this and I got that. And I always said, okay, I will do it, I will do it, I will do it, I will do it. I never did. Okay? If you recognize yourself, if you had this situation where somebody offers you or tells you something that really could change your life, but you think, maybe it's not working, maybe it's not this and that, please send me a comment. It would help me a lot. In the end of the day, I found out that his trading account with his trading bots hit $1 million. So that means if I would have paid attention and if I would have put lousy $4,000 into a bot just copying his exact moves, today I would have $1 million in my bank account. But I did not, and so I have nothing. So now you might say, hey, but you did not lose $1 million. I think money that you not win, if you could win it, it's also like a loss. Because for me, would be absolutely no problem to put $4,000 just in a trading account and let bots do the work for us. We have to understand that the time of manual trading is over. Same as if you would like to compete in a math competition against somebody who got a calculator in his cell phone and you try to figure out yourself, oh yeah, so you will come to the result a certain time, but somebody with a calculator, with a computer even, or with AI will do it like this in a millisecond. So we have to understand this, and now I learned a lesson. Why I'm doing this video now? Because last weekend I was in Lisbon and I met him again. And then this hits me really hard because now he's making a lot of money. He have bots running, but there's also hope. There's also hope. I told you how did I come to the point where I realized that I missed out on making $1 million. So basically I lost $1 million. I would have today $1 million, but I do not. And how I'm thinking to make it back. My friend is doing a challenge, a 100x challenge. So what he has done is he has deposited now $10,000 in the trading account, and he wants to come from the 10,000 to 1 million. And I have no doubt that he will do it. Why? Because he did it once. And if you do it once, you can do it twice. You can do it 3 times, 4 times, whatever. Now, the good news is that he is now on 17,000. So he traded from 10,000 to 17,000. So what I will do now is I will deposit $10,000 into this trading account. I will get a bonus of $3,000. So that means I start from $13,000. He's now on $17,000. It's not such a big difference. Maybe every now and then I put another 500, another 500, another 500, so that I reach the exact amount that he is trading with. And I will hit the million whenever he is hitting the million. So, in Germany, we say only the donkey is committing the same mistakes 2 times. In your country, they do, or they say something like this. Okay, then put me a comment. But I'm telling you, I will not miss this challenge again. But no problem. If you say, hey, Ronnie, I don't have 10,000 or 70,000 or 13,000, whatever, no problem. You can start with $100. If you start with $100, imagine you will get $200 deposit bonus. So you start with $300. That's a good deal, right? So you put $100, you start with $300. So let's say that we achieve the 100x. How much is this? This is $30,000. So that means you start today with $100 and you get to $30,000 if the challenge goes the same way like the previous challenge. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm just telling you what I will do. So if you want to be part of this challenge, I will do this challenge here. Then in the pinned comment, you have a link. Register with the link, but you must hurry up because it's only 6 more days, or I think 5 more days. Deposit $100 to it, and then you will have $300 to trade. Okay, so if you do nothing anymore, obviously, you need to be subscribed to the channel and you need to see the updates. I will also prepare now an Excel file where I say we need to change the ranges of the bots. We need to change the setup of the bots every now and then, maybe once a week or once a month, whatever. You will have here in the pinned comment also the Excel file. But first, register the account, deposit $100. The KYC, you just have to put your name and your country. You don't have to upload any document. So it's like level 1 KYC. And then let's do it. And if you see, oh, wow, that's working, then every month you deposit another $50, another $100. So you make your capital bigger and bigger and bigger, and the bot trades for you, So I think that's a very, very interesting option. So here's the link. Subscribe to the channel because I will do every week. And my friend, he's not doing it. Even my friend, he have a faceless channel. I will tomorrow talk about this. Tomorrow I will show you in the video who he is, what's his name, and exact proof how he converted $4,000 to 1 million. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Get your account. I can give you the name of the exchange. The name is Pionex. That is a system, a bot system that I have used back in 2020. In 2020, I have already used the bots. Now they converted the company into a bot and an exchange. So it's a reliable company. Register, deposit, do the KYC just with your name and with your country, with your location, and then let's get started. It's very easy to follow. Tomorrow I will show you how once you get the bonus, you can start to use this bonus to trade, and eventually we will get the same results as my friend. And I will also tomorrow reveal his name and his channel name. See you tomorrow. Let's go for this new opportunity and take very much care of your crypto. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.